Hello and welcome to today's video. Now in today's video I'll be taking a look at how Bank Nifty can be traded in this expiry session. I'll be taking a bit of a look on how option buyers can trade it and also on how option sellers can trade it. So now before we go into how Bank Nifty is going to be traded, now I'm looking at I'm recording this video in the prior night, not in the morning when you're viewing it. So right now on the news cycle front I only see two things. Number one is a lot of the Fed's voting members are having presentations and everything today, and so what I can see already from what is going on is coming. They've put it pretty clearly that the hopes of people that a rate cut may become is basically should be zero, because I say that as, for example, one of the Fed's voting members called Waller has said that he'll be looking for many months of a good inflation number before even he can think about talking about rate cuts. So that puts the message pretty clearly. Now the other news which is affecting the global markets as of now is the American markets are waiting for the earnings of Nvidia. So that is an issue that is on its own and it's not really linked to our market. So the only news really linked to our markets is what the Fed guys are going to speak. Now before we dwell into the Bank Nifty, now in yesterday's video I had covered the Fin Nifty and how it was performing in expiry, and I also covered the Birla fashion and escorts. Now escorts I had said I expect a slowdown, and you can see today it had a negative day. Aditya Birla fashion had a big positive day, as I had even said that I expect the up move to continue in it, as it had gone up to the resistance levels I had given earlier, then come back down, and now I was expecting that it will be making a fresh attempt in the coming days. That exactly played out as expected. This is as Aditya Birla fashion closed the day 6.5% up, which was a very good thing. Now on the Fin Nifty side, I had said that basic guys who are selling options above 21,600 and below 21,440 will be safe. And that's exactly how it played out. As we see, when Fin Nifty opened, it opened with a gap down basically, and it got filled rather quickly, and it came back above 21,440, and then it spent the whole day hovering there. And so all people who sold puts below 21,440, as I had said in the video, made money, and all people who sold calls above 21,610 also made, or 21,600 basically made money. Now when we come to Bank Nifty for tomorrow, now Bank Nifty, when we look at it, Bank Nifty has been trading in a range for many days. As I say, it has been trading in a range for the past couple of days here. Then before that it was trading in a range here. Now we managed to catch the bottom, me and clients, and that was good for us. However, presently, now how I see it trading in tomorrow's expiry is, if we load the 15-minute chart, that will give us a better picture. Now if we load the 15-minute chart, on the option buying side, first I'll cover the option buying side and the option selling side. Now on the option buying side, I will first say that in this range we can see there's an important support at basically 48,050. So if we break 48,050 at the open, then I'll be looking to a small short to 47,940. It will not give you much money, it will give you basically some money. It won't give you something fantastic. But now 47,940 is a very key support, and we can even see the 200-day moving average has formed there. So if we manage to hold the 47,940 support, then we'll basically go and try to retest the 48,250 support and 48,400. If that move comes, then that will be a juicy enough move that will give basically good profits, not excellent but good profits to anyone who manages to catch. So tomorrow, how am I trading Bank Nifty? If it breaks 48,050, it's a quick short to 47,940, and with any weakness there, then you'll continue to 47,800. However, if it starts showing neutrality there, and the indicators which I use, the volume build up goes bullish, and the trend catcher, basically both lines go back above zero, and the black line is above the red, then it'll be a fresh buy there for along towards 48,250 and 48,400. Now that is how I'm trading on the option buying side. Also on the downside, if by chance we break 47,940 and we go to 47,800, that is a very important level. That breaks, we're gone back into bearish territory, as we've been in neutral territory for the past couple of days. Now on the option selling side, how I look at it is that now there's going to be big money making sure that it stays within this neutral range it has been in for the past couple of sessions. So there's a high likelihood of 48,400 and above call sellers being safe throughout the day, and the 47,900 and below put sellers staying safe throughout the day. However, I believe tomorrow, if we hold 47,900, 47,940, then towards the end of the day, the 48, let's say 250 and above call sellers can get a bit of a spike, which will, how people are now terming it as injections, which will cause them some trouble. However, most likely the call sellers above 48,400 and the put sellers below 47,900 should make money, provided it stays within this range. If we hold 47,900 or 47,940, then you can sell more on the put side, as there'll be higher risk on selling calls than on selling puts. However, if we basically keep hovering in this middle range where we are right now, in the middle of the box range, then both sides will have 50-50 normal risk level basically, and both sides you can sell calls and you can sell puts and make a decent amount of money on the option selling front. However, as I said again, I would say there's a risk of injections more on the upside if 47,940 holds. 47,940 is going to be the key for the whole thing. So 47,940 holds, you'd rather stick to put sells. If 47,940 doesn't hold, then you can stick to more call sells. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and if you do like it, then hit the like button and also subscribe and click the notification bell.